Tomorrow, May 15th, is officially National Go Buy Silver Day, a day for the silver stacking community to come together, buy silver, have something to look forwards to on a yearly basis, but most importantly, have fun. Then when the silver arrives the following week, we can do YouTube unboxings or an unboxing on Instagram or Twitter or Wall Street Silver or the Silver Forum, and just give everyone a platform to share what they got. I'll be making videos covering all the different unboxings that you guys do, and it's just gonna be a great time. Yes, I made this holiday up on the spot, but guess what? We're gonna make it a real thing. Let's do this. Some people are worried that premiums and prices may rise, but what if I were to tell you that dealers on this holiday actually lower their premiums? Let's make this a Black Friday summertime silver sale. So I'm sure you all know by now that Bullion Max has been heavily supporting the silver stacking community on YouTube. They sponsor the Silver Stacking Podcast, many other big silver stacking channels. I got to interview one of the founders of Bullion Max. They offered the 5-ounce silver starter kit at below employee pricing. They're trying to work with me on a 15-ounce Silver Slayer Deluxe bundle kit. They've even went as far as sending me silver and literally saying, don't keep the silver this time, give it away to your subscribers for us. It's just really cool to see a bullion dealer trying to take things to the next level and innovate the world of precious metals in the way that I tried to do on my channel. So I used my connections. I hit them up and said, yo, I'm doing an event on May 15th. It's kind of like a National Go Buy Silver Day, trying to make this a really fun thing for silver stackers. And they agreed. I just tried to get a discount for you guys, but what they did was so far beyond my expectations. This is what they surprised me with yesterday. A Silver Raid landing page where they cut down the crazy high premiums on some of these coins. We're talking about some of the most popular coins getting $10 to $20 premiums cut off of them. Instead of getting taken advantage of by this day, we could take advantage of this day. Koala is usually $31, $32. $28.77. The 5-ounce starter kit, usually $152, now $146.90. The 2016 Queen's Beast series, usually $110, a very popular 2-ounce series, is now $90. The 2017 2-ounce Queen's Beast used to be $162, now $127.75. The 2019 Bottlenose Dolphin was $54, now $44. Even the 10-ounce generic bar, $268, now $258. This holiday could be used for good for people to lower their dollar per ounce average. That's exactly what I wanted. I want this to be a day that we come together, be able to get cheap prices, and really just have fun with this. So yeah, shout out to Bullion Max. This sale's already up. It's not just May 15th. This is May 14th and May 15th that this landing page is up, so go take advantage of it. You can buy silver from other places. I'm not saying buy silver from here. I'm just showing that this place does have probably the best deals online for most of these coins.